Today in tech news, the spotlight's been turned up on Symbotic Inc., and not because of a revolutionary warehouse automation breakthrough, but due to a looming financial controversy. Symbotic, that cool tech gig synonymous with automating warehouse operations, has found itself in hot water with not one but two prominent law firms raising a stink over its recent financial sorcery. Here's what's unraveling. Symbotic is being accused of, wait for it, creative accounting. According to the recent allegations, between February 8, 2024 and November 26, 2024, Symbotic might have taken some liberties with its revenue recognition practices. Think more Hollywood special effects than Microsoft Excel magic. Investors are crying foul over disclosures that indicated some eyebrow-raising errors concerning cost overruns on some projects that couldn't be invoiced. Worse, these hiccups impacted Symbotic's reported system revenue, pre-tax income, and gross margins, not exactly music to investor ears. The fallout was immediate and unsympathetic, nosediving Symbotic's stock price by a staggering 36%. Now let's set the stage, because this isn't your run-of-the-mill courtroom drama. Two heavyweight law firms, Bernstein Liebard LLP and Robbins Geller Rudman & Dowd LLP, are inviting beleaguered investors to join class action lawsuits. That's right, folks, lawyering up and circling the wagons. They're both seeking potential lead plaintiffs, those who perhaps watched their financial portfolios imitate a famous sinking movie ship and now are looking for retribution. To be the lead plaintiff doesn't necessarily require juggling gavels. Any willing investor with substantial losses from that pesky class period can apply. And it sounds like it's merit badges all around, because being a lead plaintiff isn't required to benefit from a future recovery settlement. It's essentially the law and order way of the markets, saying, we got you covered. Now over to you, savvy viewers. What are your thoughts on this situation? Are systems breaking down? Or is there more to this saga than we're seeing in today's headlines? Share your thoughts in the comments. I mean, have you seen situations like this before with other tech companies, where heads in the clouds when they should have been looking at spreadsheets? Let's hear your take. Your insights might just shine a different spotlight on this corporate hubbub. Remember, while financial inaccuracies can be the villain today, the way companies handle these situations can define their future. So gear up, community. Let's dive into this topic, share your perspective, and maybe, just maybe, fish out some key wisdom from the rapids of controversy. Can't wait to read what you all think. Thanks for watching to the end. Remember, this is just one story from our full daily show, which includes all the other news and an analysis of the day's tech market activity. If you found this video interesting or insightful, then please like, subscribe, and share it with others. Your support is greatly appreciated. Catch you later.